Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction of the Sun Coast Beach Club. So we are in St. Thomas by 12 miles, and to the right that's the Sun Coast Beach Club, and that road straight ahead is the Southern Coastal Highway. So this beach club is going to be on 90 acres. And it starts here and goes there's a underpass that goes under the highway, and the development continues towards the beach. So it's beachfront property. And this development is one that is taking advantage of the Southern Coastal Highway. Basically, because it takes 15 minutes to get from Kingston to where we are now, this is one of many developments going on this side of the island. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center, you have another urban center being built in Portland, you have an ultra luxury hotel going to be built along the beach. So a lot of developments are taking place. And this development is also, their original main road is right beside this development as well. So it's very easy to get there. So this development is a mix. It's residential units. It's a mix of townhouses, villas, duplexes, and luxury condominiums. Alright guys, take a tour of what's going on. They've just started, so they don't have any finished units yet, but they're under construction. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.